Good morning, Philippines. We're going to talk about communication this time. Communication. Okay, very basic on communication. You can when one is talking, you listen. Okay, when he is done talking, that's the time, and it's your turn to talk also. Okay, now. Um, if you want to butt in, you try to raise your hand and then ask permission if you can ask question or if you can say something. That's it. Okay. It's a give and take. Okay. Do not shout or even do not even utter words uh, other than the issue. Hindi ganoon, okay? Okay. Uh, it should be like that. Para maganda ang usapan at mas mabilis i-resolve yung mga problema. Hindi ganoon. So, 'yan. Advice lang.